It's a 1960s ALCORT Catfish catamaran. Start off, we want to look at this little forestay attachment here with the little lever. There's a little hook on the ring there, and this lever arm catches it. And then you just push it down and latch in, and you're good to go. We've been checking out some rigging today, trying to get measurements for lines. You need a halyard, a downhaul, a main sheet. We also need a side stay. It's missing one, so we've just got a piece of 1/8 inch nylon line holding it right now. So here's the sail. It's 105 square feet on a 22-foot mast. A couple little shrouds there. Up at the top is the little pocket with a little piece of foam in it. Help keep the boat from turtling if and when you capsize it. 4 pockets on the sail for battens. They need a little bit of repair work. There's the Catfish logo. Sails made by Ratsey and Lapthorn, who made most of the ALCORT sails. It's got the hard deck and the little wing deck here for the mast. The mast rotates, and it's got twin pivoting center boards. They're just held in with little nubs on either side of the center board there. In fact, we had them out earlier looking at them. Yeah, that's their shape. Just that little nub at the bottom drops in the slot, and that's what you got. They'll fall down by weight, gravity, and then can use this lanyard to pull them, keep them up when you're running up on the beach. Got your little hiking strap there, twin rudders in the back. Just push those down. Similar spring system to what the Sunfish has. I'm guessing there was some type of block on this little traveler back here, little bucket, and sheeting system will look something like that. Here's the outhaul for the sail. And one other thing that was interesting about this boat, we're not incredibly familiar with catamarans, was underneath had a couple little straps that are snapped to the bottom that you can unsnap, and if you capsize you can grab onto it and help to stand on the side of one of the pontoons and get everything turned back upright. So here it is. Like I say, this is just a test rigging to figure out how much line we need to order. Probably about 50 feet or so for the halyard, and another 25 or so for the sheet. Get a little bit extra from the halyard size for 2 bow lines. Yeah, downhaul, and who knows what else. But we're pretty happy. She's in really good shape. Made the trip down from New York, and she's here. Say he. Smedley's the name. We'll get a little cleanup, a little repair on one of the pontoons, and find some plugs for the pontoons. I'm not sure how that works, but our buddy tells us that's what they got. Get her put away for the night. Have some more fun with her tomorrow. Before we go, here's that little foam pad that's at the top. 1960s ALCORT sailfish. Her call sign is Smedley. Y'all have a good night.